In this video, I will show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the NVIDIA app. So if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type NVIDIA and you should see the NVIDIA app come up. If you don't have the app, what you can do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and search for NVIDIA app. And what you want to do is click onto the top result. So this is going to take you to the official website, which is nvidia.com. From here, you're going to see the download now button. Give that a click and install the app, and then you'll be good to go and ready to update and install NVIDIA drivers. Once you have the app, come back down to your search box on your desktop at the bottom. In here, type NVIDIA and then open up the NVIDIA app. Once you have the app opened, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side, and on this menu, you're going to see an option for drivers. Give that a click, and this way you can come to download or update or install drivers. So what you need to do is come up to here, and you can choose whether to update a game-ready driver or studio driver, depending on what you want to update your drivers for. And then all you would do is click this green button, which is going to say update if there is an update available. What that's going to do is go ahead and update your NVIDIA graphics card. So that's how to update your NVIDIA graphics card in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.